At Durban Wedding Productions, we pride ourselves in broadcast quality coverage and individual attention to bridal couples. We will not only ensure that your day is sufficiently covered, but also ensure that memories, events, emotions, and details are all captured. These details, although individual, will collectively tell the story of your special day. In this way, you and your loved ones will be able to relive everything as many times as you wish. Durban Wedding Productions allows you the opportunity to work with a professional and experienced crew. Our documentary approach to weddings has made our genre of wedding day coverage unique and different. We capture the stories around your photographs and wedding day occurrences because your day has so many elements that need to be remembered, not just the all-important formalities. Our very popular highlighted version of your wedding is included in all packages. Your chosen package works in hours covered, and your production can be customized to best optimize your wedding day coverage. Please visit our website at www.durbanweddingproductions.co.za for a more elaborate breakdown. Durban Wedding Productions. We capture memories.